Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is I will make an unboxing video. So this is a mobile game controller, which is the brand is My Concept. So I bought this in SM department store, so in SM Accessories. So as you can see that, so and also this is not a sponsored video. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. I made this for my own, so that you can you can choose and buy what you want to. Okay, so let's gonna open this up. So this one right here is the only one in the box. This is the only one in the box. Okay, and then have some. Okay, there is also a I don't know what is this, so let's check what is this. So this is just a this is a tip of this one. Okay, this right there. So okay, this is a tip, okay, from this one over here. So this is the so I'm gonna make a short review of this also. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna peel this off. So it's because this is just the cover, so plastic. So this is just only the plastic of this one. So step aside. Okay, okay, this is okay, this is the gamepad. Okay, so if you want to put this on, okay, so if you want to put this on, so this is ergonomic style like this one. So very good, is very good. I love it also. This is okay, the style of a gun, a trigger. But if you want to this one, if you want to press this, it will press it also in here. Okay, so you can also what is this called again, I forgot. You can press it so that the phone will not so and also in the other one right here. So as you guys, okay, yeah, okay, it's pressing the phone. Okay, and there is the tip, a rubber tip on it, so that it will not scratch the screen of it will not scratch the screen of a phone. And also you can charge while you are playing. So a bigger slot over here that you can charge it at. So as you can see, yes, you can press it like that, and then you can enjoy good. So I'm gonna try some game. Okay, so this is a sample of the game. So let's, okay, like this one. So yes, very good, and I think this is worth the buy. So you can press it just one finger, and also you can press it just two fingers. So I only needed I really need that there's a Joy-Con in here, okay, so that I can move freely, because I am not comfortable with no Joy-Con. So I think I'm gonna buy a what is this called? This is only a sample, so I will make a sample while playing the game. So this is a nice hand grip for your mobile gaming. So So the price, this one is only 349 pesos. So as you can see, 349 pesos in the SM store. So you can buy it in so concept. It's my concept. So okay, let's gonna try this one. Okay. So right, so as you can see guys, so as you can see, that was the unboxing. Okay, so I will make a full review of this one. So okay, as you can see, you just have to press it, right? I think it's good enough, so I am comfortable with it. So but I just need some Joy-Con in here so that I can move. Okay, so that I can move. So that's it guys, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you like it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So please subscribe to my channel.